Workforce travel can be a lot of work. Booking rooms, tracking expenses, paying hundreds of invoices, it takes a lot more time and effort than you'd think. That's why we built a simpler way to manage your workforce travel. Introducing Roomex. One search on our dedicated platform checks over 2 million hotels, apartments and other accommodation types to find you the perfect place for your team. No need to check dozens of sites or remember your corporate rates. We'll do that for you. Once you've booked accommodation for yourself or your team, you can issue them a travel allowance to spend on food, fuel or other trip expenses, meaning your team won't need to hang on to receipts or wait for expenses to be reimbursed. Need some help with your booking? Our 5-star customer support team has years of experience helping travel managers and on-the-road workers. We take a proactive approach to travel management to eliminate headaches before they happen. Keeping track of travel couldn't be easier either. With Roomex Analytics, you can get an up-to-date overview of your key travel data and even gather cost-saving insights to inform your travel policy and impress your boss. Even better, all of your hotel bookings and travel allowances go into one monthly invoice, making life simple for your finance team and cutting out hours of administration every month. Did we mention it's free to use with no contract? And we also offer train travel, carbon reporting, cancellation charge recovery, reservation checks, project meetings and crew booking. Phew, there's a lot to tell you, but we'll keep it simple. Roomex is your partner in workforce travel. Join thousands of happy customers and get your free Roomex platform today. Roomex.com. Take the work out of workforce travel.